Delhi CM Atishi in just a short while is filing nomination from Kalkaji in South Delhi. Politics has erupted because she's appealed for a crowdfunding campaign to fight elections. BJP's mount attack at the Delhi CM and AAP candidate Atishi, saying that Atishi is clearly trying to fool people here. Just to give you an itinerary and a timeline today. Atishi will first visit the Kalkaji temple, get the blessings of Kalkama, followed by a nomination rally. Mega roadshow has been planned by Atishi, and she, in her crowdfunding campaign, appealed for about 40 lakh rupees. About 18 lakh rupees were already received in donations in 24 hours. Atishi has appealed basically that she has no money, and to fight the campaign, she'll need at least this much amount. Congress has also jumped on this, taking a jibe, saying, of course, they are in a fund crunch because they have been exposed in the liquor scam.
चलो चलो हाँ हाँ बोलो
कैसे हो?
हाँ बढ़िया है सर। सर आप आप इतना सब करते हो, लेकिन हमारे लिए क्या करते हो बोले? हाँ
नहीं करा, बताओ।
17 साल से क्या करा? सब कांग्रेस के हाथ का करा हुआ है।
क्या नहीं करा?
हाथ का क्या करा हुआ है?
क्या नहीं करा? सब यही करा हुआ है, हम लोगों ने करा।
कुछ नहीं करा, खाली चलो चलो हाँ हाँ बोलो
कैसे हो?
हाँ बढ़िया है सर। सर आप इतना सब करते हो, लेकिन हमारे लिए क्या करते हो बोले? हाँ
नहीं करा, बताओ।
17 साल से क्या करा? सब कांग्रेस के हाथ का करा हुआ है।
क्या नहीं करा?
हाथ का क्या करा हुआ है?
क्या नहीं करा? सब यही करा हुआ है, हम लोगों ने करा।
कुछ नहीं करा। चलो चलो हाँ हाँ बोलो
कैसे हो?
हाँ बढ़िया है सर। सर आप इतना सब करते हो, लेकिन हमारे लिए क्या करते हो बोले? हाँ
नहीं करा, बताओ।
17 साल से क्या करा? सब कांग्रेस के हाथ का करा हुआ है।
क्या नहीं करा?
हाथ का क्या करा हुआ है?
क्या नहीं करा? सब यही करा हुआ है, हम लोगों ने करा।
कुछ नहीं करा।
So these are the images coming in, and we'll go across in just a short while about what precisely is going to be the roadshow about. That will be as much of a show of strength as well. Ashutosh Mishra joining me for the latest on that. Ashutosh, how crucial do you think is Atishi's winning this election? It's not just as a chief minister. Do you think she's one of the closest right now as an aide to Arvind Kejriwal?
Perhaps that's why when Arvind Kejriwal decided to step aside from the chief ministerial post and the post was offered to Atishi, and this is not possible in the politics or in any political party unless you have really a trust on someone. So Atishi came out as a most trusted ally in the party for the Arvind Kejriwal, and that's why she is now the chief minister. But yes, it's a crucial and it's a critical and it always been, the election is always critical whenever, and particularly when it comes to Delhi. Maybe it's a municipality size, but the stakes are always high because at the end it becomes a battle of prestige for all the stakeholders, for the BJP, for the Aam Aadmi Party, and of course for the Congress. So every stakeholders have a different stake here. The BJP would like to come back to the power, and which has been like more than 2 decades. Subsequently for the Congress, which would like to retain its ground, which it lost to the Aam Aadmi Party in 2013, and for the Aam Aadmi Party is coming back to power will be a matter of to survive the existential crisis. So that's how the higher stakes in the national capital is. It's an auspicious day that Atishi has chosen to file the nomination, as the nomination begins today in Delhi on this Paus Purnima. So here at Kalkaji temple where I am, you already see arrangements have been made. Atishi will be arriving anytime soon after taking blessings for Ma Kalkaji, and then she'll be visiting the Gurudwara in Kalkaji, and from there the road show will begin. The road show till the nomination center. Manish Sisodia, the second in command of the Aam Aadmi Party, will join the road show along with the party workers and the supporters who will be part of the road show. And we are also waiting to have some conversation with the Chief Minister Atishi and now the candidate of the Aam Aadmi Party from Kalkaji. What makes Kalkaji is a high-stake battle, because the BJP has not just given up this seat, they have put out a very strong candidate, and so we are seeing from Congress as well. Subsequently for Kalkaji, because Atishi is no more just an MLA, she is a Chief Minister from this seat. So that itself makes the the battle at a very high stake. So, I mean, so of this a very critical battle of the election. We are all waiting for Atishi to come down here. Of course, there are many questions being raised by the opposition. There are several questions that the Amani party would be responding, and Atishi, particularly when the road show begins. So it will be a matter of minute. We will see Atishi coming down here, taking blessings
We'll
from
come
Maa
back to you,
Kalka, and then
Ashutosh,
taking
on that,
the
because
road show
seeking
for the
blessings from
nomination.
the Kalkaji temple. I must add, it's a very popular temple in Kalkaji also, where Atishi is currently contesting from. So to ensure that it starts on an auspicious note,